Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Walt Life, which is a Disney subscription box. I'm super excited for this. So with this company, they have all sorts of different subscription boxes. There's one for snacks, there's a classic box, there's a magic box, which is what this is, and then best of all, they have a surprise box. So if you're taking your kid to Disney and they don't know about it, you can order the surprise box, and when they lift up the lid, it says, "Surprise, you're going to Disney," and it's packed with park goodies, which I think is a fabulous idea. So super, super exciting. So you can, when you sign up for a subscription, tell them what gender, male, female, or neutral. There are different age groups, or you can select any age. So this box is geared for a girl, all ages. And this is the Magic Plus box. So let's take a look inside. Believe in magic. That's cute. So we have a silver package on top. All sorts of goodies in here, and the lid is pretty colorful. Up top it's very colorful up here. Just talks about you could take a picture, post it, and win some prizes. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Oh, it's one of the little zoom zooms. Raylan loves these. They're perfect for her little tiny hands. And we have a few of the Alice in Wonderland ones, since I am a huge Alice in Wonderland fan. So that's very cute. And it retails for $5.95. Adorable. Also have some Minnie Mouse Jelly Bellies. Pink and blue and white. Super cute. I love when subscription boxes include something to eat. That's super fun. Next up, we have a Oh My Disney. This is just a bag. You can make the strap bigger. It zips open. There is little goodies inside. How cute. Cute print on the inside. Little buttons and stitches. Bow for a zipper. It's adorable. Let's take a look at what this is. Sometimes you just have to let your hair down. That's cute. And this is from Hallmark. It retails for $9.95. I like that. And the little purse, which again, Raylan's gonna love. It's really pretty blue color. Also have a Disney Princess keychain. And here's what that looks like. I like the puffball at the bottom. It's super soft. A little bit glittery. And it's got the keychain or a little clip. Very nice. Ooh, looks like we get a little Disney pin too. Cute. I haven't been to Disney yet, but I know that people collect the pins. So that's very nice. On the back it says Pin Trading 2013. That's a cute touch. Even the back of it has little Mickey ears. Love that. And then we have, this says it's a Walt Life treasure coin. It says collect all 8 Walt Life coins and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. Very nice. We have Walt Life card. Oh, that's cute. You can color it and it's a puzzle. Jackson's gonna love that. You can see the little puzzle pieces in there. That's a neat idea. And they even sent us a little product card. Do love that. So we have a tangled plaque, scrump purse, pom-pom keychain, mini jelly beans, a trading pin. It gives a little brief summary of that. Thank you for ordering from Walt Life. Enjoy the magic. Take care and stay magical. And we also have a little bookmark. I'm totally going to make Jackson use that. And, oh, okay. Interesting. I almost overlooked that. Walt Life Treasures game board on back. I would have thought that was just the end of it, the bottom of the box, but then I saw these little lines in here. You can put your coins in there that you collect to win your trip. And there's different prizes, I guess, that you can win as well. So if you collect Walt, you win a Disney Zoom Zoom Mini, collect Life and win a Disney Mini Beanbag Plush, Walt Life, an official Disney Parks item, Walt Life without any wilds, win a trip for 2 to Disney. Very cool. Check that out. I love that. And that is the official end of the box. Super cute. Love all the colors and attention to detail. If you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I will have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.